So for months, we've been hearing rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. We heard that Samsung will change the aspect ratio of the Z Fold 4 as well as include a flagship-level camera system. But despite tons of information we have about the handset, we still have no idea how exactly the Z Fold 4 is going to look. But that changes today as we have our first ever look at the Galaxy Z Fold 4. To be clear, this is not a concept render but an actual official picture from Samsung themselves, and it basically confirms what I exclusively shared a few days ago, that the rear camera of the Z Fold 4 will not look like the S22 Ultra, but instead will exactly look like the one on the Z Fold 3. It shows that the phone will be available in 3 colors, and it looks particularly better in the bluish-gray option. The rumors said the bezels would be slimmer this time, and that is indeed the case here. We don't have the front of the handset, but Ice Universe suggests it will look like this. It's not a real Z Fold 4. Mind you, but a photoshopped one, but it gives a better idea of what to expect. Basically a thinner hinge, a slightly wider display, and somewhat reduced bezels. We also have the first official look at the Z Flip 4 and the color options, which include blue, black, cream, and lavender. I've already revealed the real pictures of the handset, and these official renders are in line with those pictures. Basically a smaller hinge, and somewhat reduced bezels. And apart from that, there are no major changes to the design. We also have the official Unpacked event date, and it's on August 10th, which is less than 3 weeks away at this point. This isn't really surprising because we already knew this, as John Prosser revealed that pre-orders will begin on the launch day itself, and the phones will be available in stores from August 26th onwards. Samsung will launch the Z Fold 4, Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5, and the new earbuds at the event. Also, Samsung made this cryptic tweet about the Unpacked event today, which shows a bunch of color swatches implying these are the Z Flip 4 Bespoke Edition color options. It shows 30 color swatches, and Samobile says that Samsung may offer 900 color combinations, with the Bespoke Edition up from just 49 on the Z Flip 3. If you haven't heard of the Bespoke Edition, you can basically choose a frame color and a matching or a different color for each of the 2 back panels, customizing the phone to your liking. However, it's only limited to certain markets. Of course, with that being said, for all the latest updates on these new foldables, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.